It's just beautiful riding on the beach. This is crazy, but I love it. Hey, good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Sunday again, hot day. It's going to be very hot, but ride must stay on. So again, going out on another group short day ride. So I'm getting late, so let's stop on the road because I need to get to the destination quick. I need to get to the meetup point quick. I'm not wake up yet, so let's get back on the road. Hey, good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry I was getting late, and I needed to have get to the meetup place right in half an hour, and I'm already running late, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it on time or not. But at any rate, good morning to you all, and welcome back to again my channel. Subscribe, like, give us a comment, and share. Let's get back to the business here. Today is Sunday. We're going to Galveston Bay. Right now the temperature is 80 Fahrenheit and it's about 7:25 in the morning. Sky is looking cloudy, but it's only for a little bit. After 9-10 o'clock it's just going to be a sunny day and hot day. So let's get on the road, meet the guys at the Buc-ee's in Richmond, Texas, and go from there. Everybody's running behind right here. We're passing through Brazoria County.
You buy it there and get it here.
Yeah.
But it will be a long way around.
No, I'm telling you, so two sneakers like $230 here. Okay? $430 for the right? Udhar ka mila tha 15,000.
So we just took a break here and fill up the gas, and Srini and Nick Baji are having a great discussion about the motorcycle gear, especially the BMW ones.
439 versus 200 plus.
हम इतने पैसे कमा रहे किधर लेके जाएगा?
इधर भाई
Either. Yeah. Yeah. चलो रेडी चलो Look, all these refineries right here in Freeport, Texas. It's all oil refineries. It's supposed to get really hot, but it's not bad. It's 10 o'clock right now and 87 Fahrenheit. So if you are entering from Freeport to the Galveston via Blue Water Highway, you have to stop here in between to pay a toll, which is required in order to pass and go to the bay. Okay, so guys wanted to ride on the beach. Not sure what they are up to, but we will see. It's on. Wait, I can't. call them rides for kids to come and play. Alright guys, so we just had a lunch here at the place here somewhere, and we're just about to hop back on the road, and we're gonna end our trip here to Galveston Bay. So I hope you like this short clip. Yeah, and if you like this video, subscribe, like, share. हाँ
यहाँ पे लगा कर एक ग्रुप पिक्चर हो जाए।
हाँ कर देते।